access control. Right? The people are going to like that. You cannot abandon. The only person that can say that is the reception. Now, fire reception. I was just being outside the yard.
Azosala kulle. Ayikho leyo nto.
Kusukela reception lo.
Awasafundisa utshela masekele. Musana ukusabuba la sihlanye emakhaya. Musanda ukusabuba li wrong lepenza. Ngoba nizodala umonakalo obungeke uzokwenza. Okungenasidingo futhi. Ngoba ningabe nasivumela izingene nje siyaziwa ukuthi singamakhawe nje. Futhi esiqondile. Manje ke ngivimbelani ngicasula nakwenza isilima kwale mfana lo lokho ngena ngale ngoba nitaza ngikole ibreak lonke khona masifuna ungena ngenkali lapha yini ningafunda ngayo ngeke masifuna ukungena ngenkali asihlanye azizini ukuzophula imithetho siyawazi uma nje ngisuka enkantolo njoba ngizelana ngifuna ukuzoxoxa mina nababhemi la simple nje abafowethu isimple kabi manje nina nisabane nabaleka ngalezi ekhathezi kodwa manje seseniza insizwa manje musana ukuzodala inkinga nje ingekho niyidala
yazi mangasho nje ukuthi
mvulana bonke abantu bayamenyezwa yini la bayamenyezwa yini bayamenyezwa bonke abantu
Lungu security. Oh, indaba sikhuluma
uzodala inkinga
uvula wena la mase uyasigadake lapha ugade ukuthi security angithi ungaphinde reception ungayona reception
asilandele umthetho la
abantu babuza sango
asilandele umthetho uthi sivumelane singene engafuni ukungena ngendlebe
kusase yilo umthetho wekhona
hayi angifanele hayi kahle songena ngayo social distance songena kodwa ngayo nasi imfonyo ispread songena nge social distance mzala ukuhlanya la
sisavumela
umthetho weconflict you don't deny access.
Yes.
Doesn't say you don't deny access.
Umuntu ozala uza ngeappointment uza ne-certificate
so keep a reception.
How keep a reception. Right of admission is reserved. So we cannot be debating none. Bizani reception ngoba ngidinayo into kanti ngiyaqiniswa gaxela ngoba manje senifuna ukunina ukuba abanikazi benkampani phinde nibe ama-security ayikho lokho bonke abantu bafunda kanje ukuba abantu ngisho laba ngabe kuthiwa how you say what you say ngabe kade nibavumele bangena yabo
abobani lawo
yabona ngizodala inkinga enengasidingo
umsebenzi wethu kumele siwenze
ayikho lo ngiyasangana nje asihlanye thina sasuka la sizolwa la sisilwelani kanti siyahlanya yini
angithi lento engiyishoyo
manje fulanike bese sikumemezana ngoba njengoba manje sithethe ukuthi sicasulwa yini
abantu abangenayo
nawe uyazi inqamba manje ngitshelwe lezi zinja lezi namanga ngitshelwe lezi zinja ngiyiphalishela lemgodo yini
ngihlulwa yini
imani laba bayongeniswa ngapha la bayitshela ukuthi basile sebeyobangenisa ngapha buka bevala igate sheshani guys hawu lavala Nafo kuza bu
Nibe nazi lakhe ukuthi lento enyenzayo i-wrong.
Sitshela ukuthi sitshela
Ukuthi ufika ngalena namanga khona amasimba, unamanga lokhu usenza iphukuphuku lustrayisa lapha. Asini uthi nafuna sibizana nemanager hayi zama ujama security. Sifuna imanager ephethe security. Finish. Uzoza basikhuluma nalabo bantu labo bazofisa. Hayi nini nama basebenza ngephukuphuku basenyakala. Kunini ukudrayisa la ngathi inkomo emkhwezi.
Awuyisango livuliwe nje.
Awungeni impama, asikhuluma. Bazofika. Yeah, sorry. Come close. So we are not fighting on. We are professionals. So, first of all, it's an insult for security guards that they must appoint us to this gate, to that gate, until we move all around the building. Unnecessary. We are not here to fight it. This is a cultural demonstration. We are not here to fight with anybody. So as we are here, we want to see the management for multi-choice, CEO of the multi-choice. Doesn't matter any senior manager that is available.
I don't have senior managers because of lockdown. They're all working from home.
Can you call one of them so that you can speak? Anyone in the world is accessible.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Ngizwe Mchunu, the one that you are using on your pinboard saying Azikale with the DSTV. Without my permission, without my right, virus, I've been arrested. So now I'm here to talk on terms that make a business sense, not war. We are not stupid. We are professional, we have lawyers, we are professionals.
Awutshela umuntu ayukusirekhoda lo. Ingasicelanga.
I'll tell him now.
Okay, so another important thing is that you didn't make the appointment to use my slogan. So as I'm coming here, stand by ukunuka wena. Aso ni phukuphuku thini. Asizini ukuzolwa lapho. You don't disrespect us. We are professionals. And really professionals. Can you move away, move out? Because you have failed doing your job. You are so stupid in the way that you make us go around building, as professional as we are. So can we talk to the gentleman here that is willing to listen to us and find the right protocol to address the problem we are facing? Because how stupid I can be from court that coming here and fight and cause the fight. I'm not here to cause the fight. This is the cultural demonstration. This is who I am since I was born. So therefore, and they are my fellow brothers from the Zululand accompanying me to come here and see any manager that is available, if CEO is not available, before we take anything further. Because now we are humans, we need to sit down and talk. If we're failing to do that, if you are disrespecting us in front of the whole world here, so you are causing a problem that was not supposed to take place. Because if you disrespect us, you are disrespecting the whole nation.
Okay, give me time to make a call and hear who is available
Yes.
to come and talk.
Thank you very
Can I
much.
ask you a question? Anyone who's coming here?
Okay, now you see, I can't just send anybody.
Yes.
That is the problem. I want to get the right person. Okay?
When they come in your home, do they stand outside?
And do they close the
There's no
gates
need
as
for you
well?
to lock us out.
Yes.
You stand there while they are
Guys,
coming.
this is our procedure.
Yeah.
What we do. Okay?
Kunjani mfowethu uyezwa mntwana? Isimple ngane yakho leyo. Asasiyo siyana sikuzona nje. Asitanye
From this,
lapha.
yes, we do.
Yabona.
This is procedure.
There's a reception there.
Okay.
There's a reception.
Ngicela amaphoyisa lotshele zangizile ngoba
I'll come
sisho.
back to this gentleman.
Angalo ngoba lento afuna ukuyenza nje into engenasidingo.
Kodwa nampa abantu. Ungavela ukhele isango sithi abantu abangeni.
Akodwa amaphoyisa nje atshene zangizile. Ngoba lawo mfethu
And then the next
Let- let-
uyofona mase kulethele i-answer somewhere.